Take a walk with me right over here, Alex, and let's show them how much snow we're talking about. Take a look at my leg there. I mean, that is several inches building up all along these parking lots, the roads. This is Route 17. This is a main road. Again, we've been out here for hours doing these live shots. Pretty brutal standing out here, but something that's made it worth it is meeting some incredible people who have come by this diner. We introduced you to Joy, 81 years old, been here for about 30 years, working with a smile on her face through this snowstorm. We met randomly those two guys who started this snow shoveling business, which was awesome. And we also met some folks probably not in the best situation. Take a look right here. This is what we're talking about with all this snow cover creating some problems. That is several inches coming into this parking lot along the roads as well. Route 17 is still a mess at this hour. We have some video. Take a look of a car that got stuck coming into the diner here. But in true Jersey fashion, cops came. It was a big effort to help get that car into this parking lot. But that has been the scene up and down Route 17, these cars getting stuck. Hazards on. It's been really dangerous. We spoke with the family that got stuck. They're from Texas. Take a listen.
To get food because we haven't eaten all day, and they said this is the only place open, so we made it fine. But as we came to get into the drive, there was a bank of snow, I would assume from a plow, and we just couldn't clear it. So the police were nice enough to stop and help us dig out.
And you guys are from Texas. Tell us about the experience of your travel plans.
Well, we did really good until today, and we're hoping tomorrow we'll fly out. We've been told not to worry because up here you guys are totally prepared for the snow, and as soon as it stops, they'll have those flights running. So we're hoping for the best.
And how are things in Texas?
Worse than here because they aren't very prepared for this kind of weather. So they have a lot of power outages. Everything is closed. They don't have trucks. They don't have plows. They don't have salt. So everything is basically just kind of shut down for the next 4 or 5 days.
And to be in that situation outside, how was that where you were stuck?
Oh, I mean, everything always works out. So I wasn't too concerned. I mean, as long as everybody's alive, that's the best you can hope for. And it is just snow. If you wait long enough, it'll melt.
There you go. Some good old Texas optimism, and things could be worse. You heard about that situation in Texas. Plows here have been doing a great job despite the snow still coming down. Cars coming into the diner for that dinner rush. But overall, stay off those roads, and you really can't beat, the snow falling. You're at a Jersey diner. Can't beat that and all the people you meet, guys.